In this tutorial, we'll be exploring how to integrate an AI chatbot you've built in Flowwise directly into a website. To do this, we'll use one of our existing projects. For this example, let's open the Chat with Memory project, though the specific project doesn't matter much. You can use any of your pre-existing flows. Once you have the project open, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a blue icon. This icon represents your API endpoints, which are essential for integrating the chatbot into different platforms, allowing it to interact with users outside of Flowwise. By using these endpoints, you can seamlessly embed your bot into websites or integrate it into various applications. Let's explore how we can use these options, focusing on embedding the chatbot onto a website. When you click on the API endpoints icon, a menu opens with several options: Embed, Python, JavaScript, curl, and Share Chatbot. Each of these serves a different purpose. The Embed option is particularly straightforward. It lets you quickly integrate the chatbot into a website using just a few lines of code. This is great if you want to add the bot to a site without much hassle. You can choose between vanilla HTML or React and decide whether you want a small chat window that pops up at the bottom of the page or a full screen chat interface. For this example, let's use the pop-up HTML version, as it's a simple way to get the chatbot running on your site. Before we copy the code for embedding, let's quickly glance over the other options available. The Python section provides code examples that can be used to integrate your Flowwise chatbot into Python-based applications. This is useful if you're working on projects where you need tighter control over how the chatbot interacts with your backend systems. Similarly, the JavaScript option allows for easy integration on the front end, making it ideal for web developers who want to include the chatbot in web applications. The curl option, on the other hand, is the most powerful and flexible. It's designed for making direct API calls, which is perfect if you need to dynamically adjust the chatbot's behavior or integrate it into complex workflows. Lastly, the Share Chatbot option is a quick way to share a link to your chatbot with others. This can be helpful if you want to demonstrate the bot's capabilities to colleagues or clients without embedding it on a website. Now, let's go back to the Embed section to integrate our chatbot into a web page. We'll choose the pop-up HTML option and copy the provided code snippet. Open the HTML file for your website. In this case, we have a simple demo page set up for this purpose. Scroll down to the bottom of the file, just before the closing tag, and paste in the code. Once the code is added, save your changes and refresh your web page. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a small chat bubble appear in the bottom right corner of your site. Clicking on this bubble will open the chat window, allowing users to interact with the bot just as they would within the Flowwise interface. You can test it by sending a few messages to see how it responds. While this basic integration works well, you might want to customize the chatbot to better fit the look and feel of your website. Flowwise makes this easy by providing an option called Show Embed Chat Config. This version of the embed code includes more customization settings, allowing you to modify things like the welcome message, colors, and branding. Copy the enhanced code from the embed chat config section and replace the old code on your website. Let's make a simple change to demonstrate how customization works. For example, if you want to adjust the initial greeting from "Hello," this is a custom welcome message, to a simpler "Hello," locate that line in the code, update the text, and save your file. Refresh your page to see the updated chat window. You'll notice that the new message now appears as the default greeting. These customization options go beyond just the welcome text. You can also adjust other elements like button colors, background styles, and even the powered by text if you want to create a more branded experience. This flexibility allows you to seamlessly integrate the chatbot into your site's design, making it feel like a natural part of your user interface. With this setup, whenever you need to update the chatbot or add new capabilities, it's as simple as making changes in Flowwise and updating the embedded code if necessary. This ensures that your chatbot stays current and relevant without requiring frequent manual updates on your website. And that's it. You've now successfully embedded a Flowwise chatbot onto your site and even customized its appearance to better suit your needs. The powerful integration options Flowwise provides mean that whether you're using a simple HTML site or a more complex backend system, you can easily bring your chatbot to life across different platforms. Happy building, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with your newly integrated bot.